Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Veldog and this is my kitchen, where I'll be bringing you affordable restaurant quality food, or better, from my home to yours. Guys, let's get cooking. Okay guys, I'm back and we got Ashton on deck, Chef Ashton. And what we're going to be making today, Ashton?
The best gyro burger, burger in the whole world.
Alright, so what we got here on deck? What we have here? We have onions sliced up right here.
And lettuce.
We have lettuce. And what is those over there?
Tomato.
Tomato. Beef tomatoes. Alright. And we have some buns right here.
Yeah.
Sesame seed buns right here. We have our hamburger. We're going to smash those out. We have a smasher right here. That's what he's going to be helping me with. And probably helping me turn some of these burgers. Alright. We have what? Some black pepper.
Yeah.
What is this? Salt?
Yeah.
Pink sea salt. And this is some dill right here.
Yeah.
Alright. And we're going to use that dill for our Greek yogurt. We're going to make a sauce for that burger, okay? And we have some cheese right here. Two different type of cheese. This is provolone and the other one is Kobe Jack. Alright. And then we have a lemon. Right? So we're going to squeeze some of that in that yogurt too to give it a little bit more flavor, alright? Alright, and this is the gyro meat. Right here, so we're going to use that. Hence the word gyro burger, right? Alright, so tell everybody you'll be right back.
I will be right back.
Okay, everybody, we're back. What we're going to do now? We're going to spray some butter on this bread.
Yes.
Okay, so we can toast it up.
I like that. I like that butter.
You like that butter?
Yeah. It smells so good.
It smells like butter, don't it?
Yeah. Actually, I know what it smells like.
Alright, so
We're going to see you over there at the grill.
alright. Okay, everybody, we're back. We're going to start putting some of these buns and stuff on here.
Some of them?
All of them. If we can fit all of them. And we're just going to toast that up till it gets nice and brown. It should take no more than probably about 2-3 minutes. We're on medium right now. Okay, when this get brown, we'll be right back.
Guys, this is back and the bread is toasted.
Alright, so we're going to scoop this bread out the way. Just like that. We're going to come over here with the press. We're going to take our salt and our pepper. We have the little ball that we already made up. So put a little saran wrap on that. If you want to season the bottom, you can go like this or whatever.
Ooh, that smells good.
Don't it? So we put our burger in there in the center. Then we have Ashton push down on it. Well, hold on. I forgot. Gotta put the saran wrap over there. Okay. Use both hands. Don't pick it up. Just keep pushing and pushing and pushing and pushing and pushing. Push it. Alright, let's see what we got. That's one. One done.
I see.
There we go. Now we gotta do the rest of it. We'll salt and pepper the other side. Alright?
Yeah.
Okay guys, we're gonna go ahead and finish the rest of these up. And we'll be back in a minute. Okay guys, we're back. These are the patties. This is how they turned out. Alright. So we're gonna go ahead and go take these over to the grill and fry fry those up. Alright, see you in a minute. What we finna do?
We about to fry them up.
Okay, we finna grill them. Alright. Okay, guys, we're back. Turn this back up. Take these burgers. Each other a little bit. We're just gonna let those cook for about 3 minutes. Aside. We'll be back in a minute. So guys, I'm back. We're gonna go ahead and turn it. Yep, when you see it sweating like this, that's when you want to turn it. See you in a minute. Okay, Chef, we're back.
Welcome back.
Yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and take these off.
Yes, sir. I'm gonna choose one.
I'm gonna let them sit up so we're gonna get started on this other meat. You can turn this back down. Alright, go ahead and fix that up. This shouldn't take no more than about 2-3 minutes. And I'll be back in a minute. Okay, everybody, we're back. Gotta make the sauce up. I'm just gonna go with some sugar. Plain yogurt. About that much. Probably about 2 tablespoons. Well, 3. Put a tablespoon of this dill. Just gonna eyeball it right now. About that much.
And then you're gonna
squeeze a little lemon. Whoop. You get on you? Alright.
You got on me again.
Yeah, it's gonna get on you. I'm sorry.
Look like bread. Look
Give
like
this a stir.
the buns look good. Don't they? All I do for
Now, if you don't want that much dill in yours, you don't have to. Get a little bit more of this. Got your glue. Alright. That should be enough of that.
And then you're gonna mix it.
Uh,
And then I didn't see very good.
Gotta add a little salt to it. Just a crumb. Dust it. Like that. That's it. So we know you don't want none.
Huh?
You know you don't want none of this stuff. Taste it. Pretty good.
This is pretty good.
Pretty good. You want to taste it?
There you go.
Alright. So alright. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna go ahead with what we're gonna go with first.
I don't want none of that sauce.
I know you ain't gonna get none. We'll go ahead and go with the crown. We'll put some of this on there. Alright. Alright. So we're gonna come with the onion. You know you don't need onions. You put that on there. That one on there. Alright. We go with tomato. We're gonna need 1 tomato. Just like that. Just like that. Okay. And we cover our lettuce. That on there.
Oh, never mind.
Put 2 of those on there.
I can get 2 burgers.
2.
Huh? I know how I can get 2 burgers. Papa.
Alright, now we take our burger and we flip it on there like that.
See, I told you this burger going to be and
Just like that, okay? We take our ketchup like this. Take our mustard.
Oh, I do not want no mustard.
I know, this ain't yours, remember? Just like that.
So those ones for the big kids,
Yep,
and the other ones
just like that.
are for the little.
We take our bottom, put that on there. That's it.
That's all.
You just flip that over, like so. There it is. What you gonna name it? What you named it?
I named it
The best
burgers,
the best gyro.
the best burger,
The best gyro.
the best gyro
Burger
and the burger in the whole world.
in the world. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. Ashton, Veil Dog with the gyro. The best gyro burgers in the whole world.
This
So please
put the thumbs up on a light on it.
tell them to like and share,
Like and share,
comment, and please subscribe,
and please subscribe to our channel
where we be bringing you affordable restaurant quality foods
where we be bringing you quality restaurant quality foods
or better,
or better
from my home to yours.
from my home to yours.
See you guys next time in Veil Dog's Kitchen.